In a bold move, Senator Bernie Sanders from Vermont is urging Robert F. Kennedy Jr., the current Health and Human Services (HHS) Secretary under President Donald Trump, to step down from his position due to his controversial stance on vaccines. Sanders emphasized the urgency of the situation, stating that if Kennedy does not resign, the American people must take action. We need to mobilize the American public because this is a critical issue, Sanders expressed during an interview with Fox News Digital on Monday. As the lead Democrat on the Senate's Health, Education, Labor, and Pensions Committee, Sanders made it clear that he is not a scientist or a doctor, but has consulted with experts in these fields. According to him, the evidence supporting the effectiveness and safety of vaccines is irrefutable and widely accepted in the scientific community. Sanders highlighted the potential consequences of Kennedy's anti-vaccine rhetoric, warning that if it gains traction, it could lead to a significant public health crisis in the United States. His concerns echo those of a growing number of politicians and officials who believe Kennedy's actions as HHS Secretary are putting the health of Americans at risk. In a recent op-ed published in the New York Times, Sanders criticized Kennedy's crusade against vaccines and his promotion of debunked conspiracy theories, despite the medical community's overwhelming opposition. The senator also referenced the recent dismissal of CDC Director Susan Moneris, who refused to comply with Kennedy's directive to limit access to certain vaccines, including those for COVID-19. 4 other top CDC officials subsequently resigned in protest, accusing the Trump administration and Kennedy of undermining public health efforts. Sanders condemned Kennedy's assertion that there is no vaccine that is both safe and effective, questioning the credibility of the experts he cites to support his claims. One of Kennedy's main sources, who has been discredited and had his medical license revoked, had his study on the link between autism and vaccines retracted from the medical journal that published it. The senator's call for Kennedy's resignation has received bipartisan support from some members of Congress, although the White House has defended the decision to remove Moneris. Press Secretary Karoline Leavitt stated that the president has the authority to dismiss officials who do not align with his agenda. She also mentioned the administration's commitment to restoring trust and transparency in the CDC by making leadership decisions more transparent and accountable. This controversy surrounding Kennedy's vaccine policies has sparked a heated debate, with many concerned about the impact on public health. Sanders' stance on the matter is clear, and he is urging the American people to stand up for what they believe in when it comes to the safety and efficacy of vaccines.